Look guys, I know you see the title. I know you know what this video is about. It's gonna be a quick one. I have two toe straps, toe hooks, or whatever you want to call it, toe straps. And I actually got them from a friend of mine. He had a few extras and he was like, you know what, go ahead, you can have it. We did a little trade. I gave him something a while back, but whatever. Anyways, I'm asking him like, yo, what do I do to get more subscribers? And he was like, you know what, why don't you get the fans and the audience involved, try to get them to participate, do a little giveaway. And I was like, yo, that's perfect. I got these two toe straps and I want to put one on the car and I want to give one away. So I'm going to show you guys the two toe straps. You guys can decide for me which one you want me to put on my car, and the other one I might as well go ahead and give back to the community. I only have 30 something subscribers. Half of that, maybe more, is like people that I know, while the other half is a bunch of other people that I don't know, which is already a pretty big accomplishment. So here's our first one. Got that little plate that you put on your car, and here's a strap. Really nice detail. That Mugen driver with the steering wheel in hand. On the back side, you know, it's pretty simple. I think it's like a sport red colorway. It feels pretty heavy duty. I don't know where he got them from, but even this print, it's like, I feel like it's not just a sticker. It's actually on there. Pretty decent. Looks nice. Look at that stitching. I'm gonna show you guys in the next video, when I actually install this, how to do it strictly for cosmetics or aesthetics, not for functional use. I'm not actually gonna put this on my Civic the way it's intended to be, like drilling a hole onto the frame. No, none of that. I'm gonna show you guys an easier way, just for strictly cosmetic purposes. So that's the first one. Second option is this. Also Mugen, but in that, I guess you could say, Japanese writing. Mugen Power. Apparently this one gives you +5 horsepower, +5 boost, and +3 durability, while this one gives you +5 handling, +5 driftability when you're trying to do your little drifts around those corners, and +5 style points, because bro, that guy looks fresh. I think he's rocking some, what are those, Asics? I don't know. I didn't know Asics were a driving shoe. Anyways, side comparison, they're both sport red, which is perfect because my homie knows I got the HFP kit on my car and it's got that red nice lip. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys decide what you want me to put on my car, and the other one I am more than happy to give away. And this is not strictly for my Canadian viewers. I know there's a few of you guys from the States, some of the main YouTubers that I've previously referenced in my videos. You know, the Life of Squid. Yo, big ups to that guy. That guy helped me right from the get-go. One shout out and he already put me on, you know. Much respects to that homie. I got other people from the Toyota family. Corolla, sorry, I know you put a lot of Lolas in there, as well as Rafa's Garage. Big shout out to those guys. Inspired me to make this channel, and they already put me on like right off the bat. As soon as I made my channel, boom, here's our support, subscribe. So I know those guys did some giveaways, so I'm like, why not follow in their footsteps? And I'm gonna go ahead and link their channels in the description if you want to check them out. You know, why not? So yes, my subscribers, as well as people who are not subscribed but are watching this video right now, please pay attention. Here is a freebie. Tell me which one you think is uglier, so that I will put the uglier one on my car and you can have the better looking one for your car. So all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and comment it down below. I'm gonna probably do a little raffle. I can even do a live one just to make sure, you know, everyone who's skeptical, you know, I'll show you guys the live results of this raffle or this draw. I'm aiming to do this. Today is July 13. I'm gonna do the raffle on this Friday, so that's gonna be July 18. So yeah, or we'll see. Maybe I'll push it a whole week ahead, depending on how many people we get down there in the comments commenting. But yeah, so tell me what you like. This one will be A, this one will be B, or you can just say Mugen Driver, Mugen Power. It's up to you. Just comment down below, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Like, subscribe, and click on the bell.